Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get black skin color in Roblox Mobile. First of all, what you have to do is open your web browser and type roblox.com and sign in with your account. Now you will see a hamburger menu on the top left corner. Click on the hamburger menu and click on avatar. From here you'll be able to see your avatar. What you have to do is click on the three dotted button on the top right corner and click on desktop site. Click on it and it will open just like you open in your PC or laptop in a desktop site. Now from here what you have to do is select head and body and click on this skin tone. Click on skin tone and this page will open. As you can see, there are some limited colors. What you have to do is click on advanced on the bottom right corner. Now from here you'll be able to see all of the colors. Click on all and you'll be able to see all of the colors. Select the black color and click on done. As you can see, my character is now turned into black. If I refresh the page, as you can see, my character is now black. Now let me go to the application of Roblox. Open Roblox application. Let me load it once again. I think it haven't updated yet, so I will click on Roblox once again and open the app once again. If I go to my avatar, as you can see, my character is now all black. And that's how you can change your skin tone color in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.